Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss dampness, qi stagnation, spleen qi deficiency. In clinical manifestations, pronounced ache and pain in the muscles, feeling of heaviness of the limbs, joint pain, worse in the upper part of the body, stiffness and feeling of distension of the muscles, irritability, propensity to anger, worry, depression, and insomnia. The tongue would have no special signs or, if severe, slightly red sides with a sticky coating. The pulse will be wiry or slippery. For treatment principle, we can move qi, pacify the liver, eliminate stagnation, resolve dampness, tonify spleen qi, and calm the mind. We can use GB34, liver 3, Ren 6, Li10, stomach 36, Ren 9, spleen 9, kidney 7, bladder 22, Ren 12, bladder 20, bladder 21, and Ashi points, all with even method, except for the last 3 points, which should be needled with reinforcing method. The explanation for these points, for GB34, liver 3, and Ren 6, move qi and eliminate stagnation. For Li10 and stomach 36, invigorate the bright yang channels, which helps to resolve dampness. Ren 9, spleen 9, kidney 7, and bladder 22 resolve dampness. Ren 12, bladder 20, and bladder 21 tonifies the spleen. Thank you for your attention.